This guy is so lazy. Get a load of this guy.
'Cause we're gonna be legends, gonna get their attention. What we're doing here ain't just scary, it's about to be legendary. Yeah, we're gonna be legends. I'm flying high like a bird, but my fluttering wings can keep you from pulling me down. Your mama says I'm a fool.
And we've made it to London. So I figured this trip will be a good place to explain how I make travel vlogs anyway. I'm in no way an expert, but I've made probably about 20, because anytime I ever vlogged was always traveling. So let's get into the 5 steps that might help some of you guys try and start travel vlogging. Okay, step 1 of travel vlogging, my number one priority when I'm making a travel vlog is to tell a story. I've made so many terrible vlogs because they had no story, no background. It was just kind of me and Laura going somewhere. So it would be very easy for me just to make a vlog saying 2 days in London and film all the cool sights and me walking around like an idiot with a camera in my face, but no one really wants to see that. So the story of this vlog is 5 tips on how to make a good travel vlog, and I'm kind of going to build the whole story around that. So one of my little travel hacks or story hacks I use is CCR, so characters, conflict and resolution. So this is like basic storytelling 101. So the characters will be myself and Laura and anyone else significant we meet in the vlog. Conflict is how to build a story. So the moment of conflict will be us, like me trying to tell you guys the 5 tips on how to vlog, and the resolution will be hopefully by the end of the video you'll have gone away knowing how to make a travel vlog. That's the whole idea of CCR. That's step 1 done. Now I have to go get a hat and gloves because I did not pack adequately for London weather. It is freezing.
Cause it's cold. It's cold. Cause it's cold. It's cold. And I'm cold. I'm cold. Cause it's cold. It's cold. Cause it's cold. It's cold. Cause it's cold. And I'm cold. I'm cold. Cause it's cold. It's so cold in the streets. It's so cold anywhere that you go.
Okay, so now for tip number 2 of how to make a travel vlog. This actually had to wait till the whole following day because it pissed rain all yesterday. Now we're at the London Eye, and what I want to talk about is the style of a travel vlog. So most people follow the Casey Neistat style because he's kind of the first main YouTube vlogger people see. I'm guilty of that. You know it by the time lapses and the kind of Casey Neistat style vlog music. More recently I started finding my own style through Peter McKinnon cinematics. So we went to Camden Town Market earlier on and I shot the cinematics to try and give more of a feel of where we were. Check this out.
Back into unhappy, 'cause heartbreak is savvy and love is a bitch.
So these cinematics, even if you're not really good at video editing or filming at all, everyone's just trying to use them to try and just tell a better story. Tip number 3 will be about the gear that I use to make travel vlogs. So while I'm going on the London Eye, Daniel at home is going to show you all the gear that he uses. I actually completely forgot I had to shoot this and I can't really be arsed now. I'd rather just drink this cup of coffee here. This guy is so lazy. Get a load of this guy. Maybe I'll do it. Fine then, you do it. Well, okay then. Let's get into this. Okay, so enough messing there, and let me give you the quick top level view of the equipment that I use. So firstly, the camera. I use a Canon EOS 600D DSLR camera. As for the mic, I use a shotgun directional mic. I think it's a Takstar brand, some brand on Amazon. I used to use the this Rode Mini Go mic, I think it's called, but it wasn't that good because it wasn't battery powered, whereas this new actual cheaper mic has a battery, so it extends a lot further, it's a lot more directional, just a much better mic overall bike.
You're an idiot!
This light is used for quick pista cams. For my lens, this is a prime nifty 50 lens that I mainly use for photography. For actual vlogging, I use an 18 to 55 standard lens because it's more versatile. And my main tip would be vlog with whatever you have. So you saw the big camera bag, and that's only half of my gear. But when I'm actually vlogging and traveling, I never bring that bag out with me. I generally just bring this setup, so my running gun setup, my DSLR, and my mic on top. And I bring the GoPro with me a lot. Because look at the size of the GoPro. It is like, you can vlog in 4K in this with half decent audio. Oh, I almost forgot to mention my cool egg timer. So this egg timer ticks around in a circle with the GoPro on top. That's where I get them cool moving time lapses. The more you know.
Too much. Help me.
Stop. Are you vlogging again?
Yes.
Well, I want to watch this and I don't. Okay, go on.
Okay, we're back from the London Eye. We're at some metro station. It is now really cold and dark. But now it's time for tip 4. So tip 4 is about the editing software to use to edit vlogs. And to be honest, use whatever you know how to use. I use Adobe Premiere Pro just because I've learned how to use that. But I did start on Sony Vegas, and I was even on phone editing softwares before that. So my advice is just use whatever you know how to use, but always try and get better at them and learn more about them, and maybe even increase like the complexity of the software you use. So I want to get onto Adobe After Effects eventually. And my last and final tip 5, I think I'll vlog that tomorrow morning. No, I won't. When will I do it?
Why are you the way that you are?
And for my final tip 5, just start and try and make a travel vlog, because you can think about it, you can watch people's, but just my best advice is go and start one, because then you'll figure, the more you do, the more you figure them out. I am not a self-proclaimed expert at all. I get about 50 to 100 views on them, but I love them because they're the best memories I can make, the best form of like showing memories that I make, the more for me and my close friends.
You don't have any friends.
Thanks for watching the vlog, guys. I hope this helps you make a travel vlog in the future, or helps you improve the quality of any of your videos. Hope you like the idea and the concept behind this vlog, because I didn't just want to film me gallivanting around London doing whatever, the basic London things, but I wanted to include that as well, so hence the London Eye. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.
I've been thinking too much.